name is Omer, and I have a VMware, Windows, Citrix experience, and currently working as a Windows administrator at the moment. I've been playing around with Windows, VMware, Citrix for a couple of years, and however, I just needed some direction in order to be successful in this field. So NetSoft is what I came across through a couple of friends, and last year I was just upgrading my skills and I decided to enroll into the Infrastructure Analyst Program, where I did Active Directory, VMware, Citrix, Microsoft Exchange, and during my tenure I was able to upgrade my skills and achieve certifications such as MCSA, MCSE, BCP, SCCM. My family, friends, and my cousins actually attended this institution, and with their success stories, I was intrigued by the opportunity of going to NetSoft. I've taken the Active Directory workshop. I have taken the whole track of Infrastructure Analyst Program. I believe there's almost 8 to 10 courses, and I have only one course left, which is Advanced VMware. Very detail-oriented. It's both theoretical and practical, and all the trainers that I came across in this institution, they were very, very knowledgeable. NetSoft is different because they really care, and they really want the students to excel and be successful at what they do. Trainers are very, very flexible with their hours and the amount of teaching they do, and they actually have worked with the particular product they're actually teaching, so that makes a big difference. They're comprehensive and intensive because it's both theoretical, practical, and NetSoft also focuses on personal development as well. By giving us more home fund assignments, building on from the home fund assignments, expectation of passing a certification per every month. The pros for signing up with NetSoft is world-class training in the latest and greatest technologies that are in the market. It's both theoretical and practical, and they will also give you strategies in how to enter the market. The cons, I would say, is long hours, a full-out commitment for 1 year. All my peers in my class and peers that I met that are in the previous batches, they're all doing well, they're all successful. The expectation with NetSoft that came with when I signed the contract is you have to match the hours that you put in the weekend or your classes during the week. So I would say 25 to 30 hours. Unlike other institutions, NetSoft offers a whole course called Hire Me, where the whole focus is on building resume, interview questions and answers. They give you the real nitty-gritty details or small little details that actually make a big difference. I'm most proud of working really hard and achieving my goals. VMware is something that I've always been interested in, and something that I understand, and something that I wanted to do. I would recommend NetSoft because for people that are in this field or not in this field, they will give you a proper direction. Some people I know that are very, very talented, but they're lacking direction, they're lacking a network. This place will provide you with that, provide you with hands-on training and theoretical side of it, and will allow you to accomplish your IT goals. Never say never, because limits, like fear, are often just an illusion.